In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Shopify themes. Whether you're setting up your very first online store or looking to revamp your existing Shopify site, choosing the right theme is crucial. A well-chosen theme can help you stand out, engage your visitors, and ultimately, boost your sales. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can purchase a Shopify theme efficiently and effectively. First things first, you'll want to start by visiting the Shopify Theme store. This is the official resource for Shopify themes and offers a wide range of designs tailored to various industries and needs. You can access it directly from your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, simply navigate to Online Store and then select Themes. From here, click on Visit Theme Store, and you'll be directed to their comprehensive marketplace. Browsing through the theme store, you'll notice that themes are categorized to help you find what suits you best, such as by industry or layout type. I recommend taking a moment to consider what kind of look and functionality you want for your store. Keep in mind that while aesthetics are important, you'll also need to think about user experience and how easy it will be for your customers to navigate your store. Features like product showcase options, mobile responsiveness, and customization should not be overlooked. When you find a theme that catches your eye, be sure to preview it in action. You can click on any theme to see it in a live demo mode, which gives you a feel of how it will look and function on your site. This step is essential because it allows you to envision how the theme will suit your products and branding. Don't rush this process. Take your time to explore different pages, check out various features, and see how well it aligns with what you had in mind. Once you've settled on a theme, it's time to make the purchase. Click on the theme, and you'll see an option to Buy Theme. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Make sure everything is correct and proceed with the purchase. Afterward, the theme will be added to your Shopify account, and you can start customizing it from your admin dashboard. After purchasing, the final crucial step is customization. Head over to Themes in your Shopify admin, then click Actions, and select Customize. This is where you can start tailoring the theme to fit your brand's unique identity. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout options to reflect who you are as a business. Remember, this is your chance to bring your brand's vision to life, so get creative and personalize it to your heart's content. To wrap up, buying a Shopify theme is a straightforward process, but choosing the right one requires thought and precision. Remember to consider design, functionality, and user experience as you make your choice. With your new theme in hand, you're on your way to creating a beautiful, effective online store that reflects your brand's identity. Happy selling!